Is it time to make a move on Femasys stock? Welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into Femasys, bringing you an even more detailed analysis than before. Our initial report, published on Monday, October 2, 2023, was just the beginning. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay in the loop on our latest analysis. We've got some crucial updates that could greatly impact your investments, and you don't want to miss them. Supercharge your trading decisions with our brand new AI stock analysis tool, powered by the revolutionary GPT-4. Head over to StockInvest.us and tap into the power of AI. You'll receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. It's a game changer. But remember, this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always conduct your own research and consult with a professional before making any investment decisions. Welcome back, folks. Today, we have some exciting news about Femasys. But first, let's talk about our system's latest ranking for Femasys. Drumroll, please. Hold on to your seats because Femasys has received a hold/accumulate ranking with a score of 0.00. Let's dive into the details. Now, let's see how Femasys has performed in the market. Brace yourselves for this shocking revelation. Femasys has surpassed all expectations, with a jaw-dropping gain of 250.45% since we recommended buying it just 4 days ago. That's an average return of 62.61% per day. Talk about impressive results. Hold your horses. Before you make any decisions, here's an important update. Our system predicts high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day, making it difficult to determine Femasys' next direction. It's a nail-biter situation, folks. Brace yourself for an exciting update. The stock has just shattered its previous records, breaking through the sky-high short-term trend. And guess what? It's showing signs of an even stronger rise. Get ready for a roller coaster ride, because this could be your chance to hit the jackpot. Hold on tight, because the current 3-month trend indicates a jaw-dropping potential change of 95.79% in just 3 months. But remember, with great rewards come great risks. There's a chance of a return between -81% and -34.22%. So buckle up and make an informed decision. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, the trend suggests a -53.50% change. But don't let that discourage you, because there's still hope. The potential return ranges between -97.44% and -91.71%. In other words, after a year, you could see the price ranging from $0.0995 to $0.322. Exciting, right? Hey there, welcome back to Femasys. Brace yourself for some exciting updates. Our headline today reads, "Hold on tight." Femasys Incorporated stock price takes a wild ride, soaring between $3.30 and $4.75 on Monday. Let's dive into the details. On the last trading day, which was Monday, October 2, 2023, the Femasys Incorporated stock price skyrocketed by a staggering 30.54%. It surged from $2.98 to $3.89, marking its third consecutive day of gains. Will this winning streak continue, or will there be a slight pause in the coming days? Keep watching to find out. During the last trading day, the stock witnessed a whopping 43.94% fluctuation, starting from a low of $3.30 and reaching a high of $4.75. In the past 2 weeks, the price has soared by a remarkable 1,093.98%, rising in 7 out of the last 10 days. The trading volume dropped by 70 million shares on the last day, with a total of 88 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $343.72 million. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume at higher prices could indicate divergence and hint at potential changes in the near future. Now, let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock has witnessed some impressive highs and lows. The highest price recorded was $4.75, while the lowest dipped to a mere $0.248. Currently, the price stands at 18.11% below the 52-week high, which is a difference of 86 cents. Furthermore, it is 71.71% below the all-time high, which occurred on June 18, 2021, when the price soared to $13.75. Exciting times lie ahead for Femasys. Let's dive into some exciting analyst ratings. Get ready for some interesting news about FEMY. The latest report on Friday, September 29, 2023, reveals that Loop Capital Markets has given FEMY a buy grade with a hold action. But that's not all. On Friday, March 31, 2023, Chardon Capital also gave FEMY a buy grade with a hold action. And guess what? Back on Friday, November 11, 2022, Chardon Capital once again gave FEMY a buy grade with a hold action. Wondering how analysts view Femasys stock? Well, they've given it a general neutral rating. But here's the interesting part, they rate the PE ratio as buy, indicating potential growth, and the price to book as buy, which is definitely worth considering. Now, let's talk about return on investment. Brace yourself, because the analysts give the stock a strong sell rating. Yikes. Hey there. Are you ready to dive into some exciting stock news? Let's talk about Femasys Inc. and the signals that have been identified for this stock. Brace yourself for some positive forecasts. We have some great news for you. The Femasys Inc. stock is currently receiving buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This means that the future is looking bright for this stock. In fact, there is a general buy signal indicating that the short-term average is above the long-term average. But wait, there's more. On corrections down, the stock will find support from the lines at $1.66 and $0.651. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. So, keep an eye on those price points. Here's an interesting fact. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, September 21, 2023. Since then, the stock has risen a whopping 1,169.58%. And guess what? The rise isn't over yet. We might witness further growth until a new top pivot is found. And that's not all. We also have a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. This just adds to the positive outlook for the stock. However, there's a slight twist. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. So, it's important to keep a close watch on this stock. Looking for some interesting signals? Well, I've got you covered. Check these out. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. It's giving a buy signal. Pivots are also showing a buy signal, and that happened 8 days ago. Bollinger is another indicator with a buy signal, but that was 79 days ago. The short-term moving average is giving a buy signal, which occurred 7 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is also indicating a buy signal, and that happened 6 days ago. Now, let's consider the relationship between the short and long moving averages. It's pointing towards a buy signal, and that occurred 6 days ago. Moving on to the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average is indicating a buy signal, which happened 6 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is also showing a buy signal, and that occurred 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages is suggesting a buy signal, and that happened 3 days ago. Make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more exciting signals. Let's talk about Femasys, support, risk, and stop loss. When it comes to support, the stock has a strong level just below today's price at $2.98. However, if the stock drops below this support, there is a possibility of a significant decline in its price. In terms of risk, this stock is considered to be very high risk due to its high volatility, as indicated by the large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. In the past day, the stock had a price range of $1.45 or 43.94%. And over the last week, its daily average volatility was 59.43%. Welcome back. Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of trading levels for Femasys. But before we jump right in, let's take a moment to cover some essential fundamental data. Picture this, the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. It's a crucial measure that tells us how a company's current share price compares to its per-share earnings. Fascinating, right? Now, brace yourself for this revelation. A negative P/E ratio means the company has negative earnings or is losing money. We all know that established companies can face challenges, but consistently negative P/E ratios may indicate insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. It's definitely something to keep an eye on. But wait, there's more. In other news, mark your calendars for the next earnings report, coming up on November 9, 2023. It's like the Super Bowl of financial updates. Analysts' consensus estimates for the upcoming report are at $0.250. These numbers hold immense power and can greatly impact stock prices. So, stay tuned and keep a close watch on how they unfold. Get ready for some exciting day trading opportunities with Femasys. Brace yourself, because there's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This means that if the conditions are right, this stock could skyrocket. Keep a close eye on the volume and use it as your guide to determine when to exit your position. But wait, there's more. Femasys encounters its first support level at an exciting $2.98. If this support level holds, it could be a golden opportunity to jump in and anticipate a rebound. Don't miss out. Are you curious about Femasys' average rating from multiple analysts? Well, it's neutral. But wait, there's more. Let's dive into some recent insider trades. Hold your breath. On July 3, 2023, Femasys made an insider buy of a whopping 271,900 shares of stock option, right to buy. And that's not all. On July 3, 2023, Femasys made another insider buy, this time of 270,400 shares of stock option, right to buy. Let's meet another insider. On July 3, 2023, Elephant Dove made a bold move by conducting an insider buy of 204,700 shares of stock option, right to buy. Elephant Dove strikes again. On July 3, 2023, another insider buy took place, this time involving 105,200 shares of stock option, right to buy. Hold tight. On July 3, 2023, Curry Daniel Scott joined the insider buy trend and purchased 124,800 shares of stock option, right to buy. Exciting insider news. Based on the 90 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 40.593. Brace yourself for the overall stats. Insiders bought a staggering 6,339,575 shares and sold 7,179,940 shares in the last 90 trades. Are you ready for an exciting stock tip? Hold on tight, because we've got a recommendation that could make your portfolio soar. But before we dive in, let's talk about risk. This stock has some serious daily movements, which means there's a lot of potential for big gains, but also a lot of risk. Consider this, the RSI 14 is at a whopping 90, which significantly increases the risk factor. But here's the exciting part, we've spotted a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred just 7 days ago. This could be a game changer for your investments. Are you wondering if Femasys stock is a good buy? Femasys Incorporated has shown several positive signals, but are they enough to make it a buy candidate? While it's not quite there yet, it's definitely a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, at the current level, with the potential for further development. Our systems have analyzed the volatility and movements of the stock, and it appears to be undervalued at the current price. When the market opens on Tuesday, October 3rd, we expect Femasys to start trading at $3.98, with an opening increase of $0.0900. Hey there! Before we dive into the exciting world of trading, let's take a moment to discuss an important disclaimer. Trading comes with its risks, and it's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. We want to make it clear that StockInvest.us is here to provide information, but the ultimate responsibility lies with you when it comes to your investments. Thanks for joining us today. We're excited to share our current view on this stock. But before we begin, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Agree or disagree? Drop a comment below and let's start a conversation. And hey, what's your target for this stock? We're eager to know. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting trading insights. Now, without further ado, let's dive into the details. Wishing you a successful trading journey and a truly beautiful day. Sending regards from the entire team here at StockInvest.